sunlight, me still hold firm. 'Cause every man have to steer him destiny. Hear me now. From long time I learned to stand tall on my feet. Enough waves wash but me never retreat. People chat off but my spirit never dip. 'Cause me chart my own course, me captain my own ship. Me sail through pain, me sail through fight. Still hold the rudder steady in the darkest night. The ocean rough but my heart still equipped. Me now bow down, me captain my own ship. I captain my own ship. Nobody can steer me away, no flip. Through the wind and the rain, me still drip. Strong like a lion, my spirit never slip. I captain my own ship. Set the compass, let the freedom live. Any tide that rise, me still resist. My destiny for mine, my own equip. They say life hard, me tell them yeah me know. But pressure build diamond, watch how me glow. Me trust in Jah guidance, me never lose grip. Come hold the wheel tight, me captain my own ship. Friends change up, enemies come round, but me stay rooted like tree in the ground. Storm clouds gather, me still equipped. Faith holds strong, me captain my own ship. I captain my own ship. Nobody can steer me away, no flip.